So this is Euro Yen analysis for Monday, the 3rd of September. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where price may likely go. So previously we've had price coming into within a whisker of that 30.94. We've had a pullback, brief oscillation around the 30.60. Saw the breakdown beyond the 30.60 down towards the 29.95. Had a brief pullback down towards the 29.95. Brief consolidation after breaking beyond the 29.95 down towards the 29.45. Saw the breakdown from 29.45, break beyond the 129. Rejected the 200 period moving average in a test, and we've had price come down towards its 28.59 here on the euro against the yen. So from testing 28.59, we've already tested the 129, had a brief rejection, retested 28.59. We do appear poised for another test of that 129. So if we do get another rejection of 129, we may just see a breakdown from 28.59. And if we do break down from 28.59, we'll see how the price is direct towards that 400 period moving average, but ultimately we're looking for a move down to that 127.56. Fair to hold support around 127.56, then possibly looking for a move down towards that 126.84 here on the euro against the yen. If, however, we can break and hold above the 129 on a test, we're then looking for price head up towards that 129.45. Successful break from which then look for price head towards 129.95, and if there is sufficient volatility in the market, 130.60 or 130.94 may just come into focus here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So here on this monthly chart, we can see we were in an uptrend, broke out of the trend here to the downside, pretty sharp pullback earlier in the year. Brief consolidation, had further momentum to the downside, and again we've had this bullish pullback again, and we've had further continuation here to the downside. Now, from our move to the downside more recently, we didn't quite get down towards that 124. I think it's 124.65. Instead, we did turn around in around that 125, as indicated by this wick here. So we'll see if we do have a bit more of a pullback, or if this is merely just the this is merely temporary buying, and we'll see that sell side momentum come back into the market, and we'll continue to post lower highs here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, we can see here we have our highs, lower highs, lower highs, still have lower highs there. We've had a strong reaction from the 125, strong follow through to the upside, but as you can see more recently, we've rejected higher prices. We've had a bit of a pullback, posted a bit of a pin bar, so we'll see if we do have a bit more of a pullback here, possibly post a higher low and see our most recent highs tested in around the 130, 131 levels here on the euro against the yen. As I said, overall we have had a series of lower highs. I suppose most notably we've not broke beyond our previous low in around at 124.62. Came pretty close, but we didn't quite get there before seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. Now on this weekly chart, do also have the 200 period move now is sitting below, so that could act as a further dynamic level of support. That's currently sitting in around that 128.42 here. So in around that 128.42, we've got the 200 period moving average on this weekly chart, which could act as a confluence and thus increase likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on the daily chart here of the euro against the yen, sharp acceleration to the upside up towards that 30.94. Had a pretty strong pullback, and we've had a further continuation breaking below the 400 period moving average. So we'll see whether we can continue to hold on to 28.59 for a bullish bounce, or if we will fail and see prices then head down towards that 27.56 here on the euro against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.